Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have a review for you guys, and this is a dip powder set by Modelones in travel size. It's the cutest little set. I'm going to show you what it all includes in here, so you guys stay tuned for that. I'm going to do swatches and then I will leave you at the end with some photos and designs of these dip powder colors. As you can see, the kit comes in this nifty, nice travel size, convenient clear zipper bag. As you can see, it's got the Modelones logo right here. Let me go ahead and open it up. I have not opened this, guys, so this is somewhat of an unboxing as well. Let me show you what it includes in here. So here are the powders. 6 colors. Now I'm going to check and see, more than likely this might be a clear, so in reality 5 different colors and then the clear, nicely packaged here in this plastic container. And then here in the little bag we have the liquids, and these are the little light plastic bottles, but remember this is a travel size, very conveniently. And so then we have, so it includes the number 3, the number 1, and number 2. So this is the activator, the base, and then you have the top coat. There's no prep or bond with this one, or brush restorer. It includes a nice brush right here, nice and soft. You do need this. And then one of my favorite things, yes, you can see this, these are the instructions. But one of my favorite things, it was kind of stuck here. These are, so need to pay attention. These are instructions if you are new to using dip powders. Follow these instructions carefully. So that is nice that they included that. But one of my favorite things that they have included in this set, guys, is these extra set of brushes. These are always nice to have. As you know, the base and the top coat are glue. They're really like a glue liquid, and they tend to harden, and your brushes, they tend to sometimes get ruined. And it's nice that they included this, being that there's no brush restorer. Again, trying to keep it light and convenient for travel. Then you have your brushes. Now I will say one thing, just from looking at this right now, this is pretty much almost everything you need to complete your set. Other than, I wish it would have included maybe a small buffer in this kit, but that's okay. And here's the nice little brush. I'm going to go ahead and do swatches on these colors, guys, but like I said before, I will go ahead and leave you with photos at the end with some nifty designs and see what ideas I come up with in combining these colors together. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so just to make it easy, I'm going to do the swatches on these large tips right here, and to tell you a little bit about the containers. So the jars themselves of the powders, they're 10 grams. Here it is, so all the same size. I'm going to start with this, it looks like a white powder, but I have a feeling it's going to be a clear, so we'll test it out and see. And the bottles, the plastic bottles, these are 10 mLs. Okay, so we're going to, let's go ahead and open this up. And just to give you a tip, this is where I put these light bottles, so just to make it easy to work with, and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the swatches. Yes, I was right about this one, guys. This is the clear. As you can see, it did not change the color on the tip at all. Even though the tip itself is somewhat white, but you can see there's no variation between the color here of the tip where I left it without powder and then this part right here. So this is a clear one. Go ahead and put this one aside, but just to show you the code number right there. They just have numbers, they don't have the names. So that was the clear. Okay guys, so here are all the swatches from this system. The system performed really well, and just to show you, hopefully this is now dry, and this is how I finished it. I actually finished it with 2 layers of the top coat, and there you can see the glossy. Hopefully you can tell from the light how nice and glossy that is. Nicely cured. You hear that click sound when you tap it. See the glossy top coat? That's 2 coats. You saw me do the 1, 2, 3, very just sporadic, just to do a full coverage, and then after that was dried, then I went with the second coat. And here's this peach color, very pretty. So these are very neutral colors. You have the 2 light ones, this peach, this, and this pink. It's very pretty. This pink has somewhat of some coral undertones there. We have the clear, and then we have these darker ones. So we have a gray, kind of like a latte color, not quite a chocolate. And then, well, these are actually, okay, so these together, this is a true gray. It probably looks blue on camera. And these 2 together, it's almost like this is a grayish brown. If you put it next to the gray, it looks brown. If you put it next to the brown, it tends to look kind of grayish. But very pretty colors. The liquids perform really well, even in these light plastic bottles. You saw my trick on how to hold them together. So that is it. This is available on Amazon, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. Check below my comments, and there, in case there's any discount codes, check my comments below. Check the description bar below. I leave all the information so you guys can check it out. And this is it. That's all for the review. Remember to stay tuned for some photos of this different designs at the end. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me this gorgeous product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.